electrons on the periodic table. Always remember, valence electrons are the electrons furthest from the nucleus. They're not the ones close to it, they're the ones farthest away. If a valence electron shell is full, the element is happy. Remember, the 2, 8, and 18 determines if the shell is full. Valence electrons determine how reactive an element is. If the element does not have a full valence shell, the element is unhappy and will react. For example, group 1. Remember, that means all these elements have one valence electron. Now, they only have one valence electron in their shells, so they are very, very unhappy. They're not even close to full, so they love to react. For example, if you put any of these elements that are in group 1 in something as simple as water, you have a huge explosion. Group 15. Now remember, we're not going to look at that 1, we're just going to look at that 5. So that group 15 has 5 valence electrons. That is closer than group 1. They are closer to being full, but they're still not happy, so they still will react. They won't react as easily as group 1, but they still react. Remember, look at the group number. That tells you how many valence electrons it has. For example, group 1 has 1. Group 2 has 2. Now, we don't worry about groups 3 through 12. Those are transition metals, and they don't like to follow the rules. When we look at group 13, we drop the 1, and we have 3 valence electrons. Group 14 has 4, 15 has 5, 16 has 6, 17 has 7, and group 18 has 8 valence electrons. If an element's valence electron shell is full, the element is happy and doesn't want to react. It doesn't want to explode. If the valence electron shell is not full, the element is unhappy. Valence electrons determine the reactivity of the element. You can do this.